चालू किया. 4-reader controller installed at the door frame, the secure location. The readers are connected to the 4-reader controllers, and the controller is further connected with the server software on a network TCP/IP infrastructure. This is a network. This is a network connection, which is connected to the network switch of your server. These are the reader port. Readers connection has 4 core cables used to connect the readers to the controller. Controller is the central brain of the entire process, which is to manipulate the data and grant the access to the doors. Readers are installed. Readers are installed at entry and exit point of the each floor doors, which can grant the access when authorized card has been flashed to the door, flashed to the readers, and EM locks can open the doors. In case of unauthorized access, it will deny the access to the users, and pop-up will be flashed on the readers later on. Pop-up will be flashed on the server admin desk so that they can identify some unauthorized persons trying to take access to particular doors. It will be shows the floor at which location person is trying to get access, unauthorized get access, along with the photograph which will be enrolled at the time of the registrations. Registration process is quite simple. In the software there is a visitor tab. Once visitor comes in the premises, admin need to click on the insert button. The one GUI will be open. Admin need to put the basics details from the visitors like first name, last name. He can take the photographs with the help of web camera of the users. Even if it's a temporary employee, they can provide the access timing from which period he want, for how many days they want to give the access. After that, they need to provide the code for the access card, which will be registered over here. All the codes are printed on the card, so they can easily register, or through the USB registration desk they can flash the card, and card can get registered in this code segment. They can even provide the details like telephone number, home telephone, mobile number, car registration number, all the details of the visitor for further database processing purpose. Even they can provide the department for which department visitor is come. From the drop down list they can select the department, and from user list they can select the for which employees visitor want to meet, and they can click on the OK, so visitor get registered. So this is a quite easy process for the registration. After registrations, once visitors at the time of registration they can give access group for the visitors for which floors he has the access right. So at the time of registration they can choose first floor, second floor, third floor, which floor is the assigned to particular visitor, and they can select the access group. So only for this particular user we are giving the access right on the first floor only, so the visitor have only access to the first floor. If he try to get access on a second floor, access will be denied, which we can show later on in this video. So all registration has been done, card has been issued to the visitors. Now we can go to the first floor, and we can go to the first floor. Visitors move to the first floor, and he can flash his card to the plus 4 reader. Once he can flash the card to the reader, if it's an authorized user, access granted will be happen, and event will be generated at the admin PC. If the same visitor who doesn't have the rights on the first floor and try to get access on the second floor, he can flash the card on the reader, so it will be access denied, and a pop-up will be generated at the admin floor, and admin further inform to the security to check why this person is going there, he don't have the access right. So this is the entire process of this visitor management solution. Even we can generate the reports from the report section, how many times the visitors get access in the particular premises. So in the report section we need to go into the visitor segment. In visitor segment we can click on the run the reports, and under that we can preview the reports. So reports can be generated with all the details. it's having the name of the visitor, at which floor he get the access, at what time. All the reports can be available for further verifications and the further verification purpose. So this is the entire solution which we can offer the clients.